guys, it's me again, your ating Juday, and this is our last day in Bali, Indonesia. Uuwi na kami ng Pinas. Ang ganda ng panahon dito at sa wakas hindi mukhang uulan. Ang destination namin ngayon ay Temple and Beach. Kakain din kami ng dinner sa tabing dagat and then uuwi na. Hindi sa hotel, kundi sa Pinas na talaga. Nag-start ang umaga namin sa pagbaba ng maleta, then umalis na din after para sa first destination. Kumain muna kami sa isang Chinese restaurant and look, may tea na naman na hindi naman namin kayang inumin. So for our first destination, we are here at Pura Agong Jagannatha Temple. So kung akala niya simple lang tong temple na to, no. This place has so much history and culture, kaya samahan niyo ako habang hini-explore natin to. So for a quick trivia lang, ang Pura Agong Jagannatha ay tinayo noong 1953 bilang parangal kay Ida Sangyang Widiwasa, the supreme god in Balinese Hinduism. So basically, siya yung god of all gods, kaya nga ang ibig sabihin ng Jagannatha ay ruler of the universe. At dahil ito ay nasa heart of Denpasar, madalas dito ginaganap ang mga big religious ceremonies, especially tuwing Purnama or full moon. Sobrang ganda guys kasi mapapansin mo yung deep devotion ng mga locals. Very spiritual pero peaceful vibes. Now look at this architecture. Ang ganda diba? Typical Balinese style. Merong Mera Tower na may multiple roofs. Tapos yung mga carvings, grabe, sobrang detailed. Ang main shrine nila gawa sa white coral stone symbolizing purity. Fun facts lang is halos lahat ng temple sa Bali may ganitong intricate details kasi each one tells a story. Parang open book ng kanilang culture. So, you know, habang naglalakad kami dito, ramdam mo talaga yung serenity. Parang kahit maingay sa labas, pagpasok mo sa temple, tahimik bigla. Tapos may mga locals na nagpipray, offering flowers and incense. Sobrang solemn ng moment. It's a good reminder na when we travel, hindi lang tayo dapat nagpipicture. We should also respect the culture and the sacredness of the place. So, ayan guys, that's Pura Agong Jagannatha Temple, one of the must-visit spiritual landmarks here in Bali. If gusto nyo ng place na tahimik, full of meaning at may strong cultural vibe, ito na yon. Kahit next time na nasa Bali kayo, drop by dito. Don't forget to dress respectfully Bawal shorts at spaghetti strap. And of course, take time to appreciate the beauty around you. So, while we're on our way sa next destination, nag-decide na sila na wag na lang bumaba, kaya naman nakakuha lang kami ng videos mula sa bus. They just decided to just go back to Ole-Ole na lang to buy pasalubong again. Hindi na rin naman ako bumaba dyan ng bus dahil nga nagsisave din ako ng lakas for the next destination. Nakinig na lang ako ng music and pumikit while waiting for the others, saka wala na akong bibilhin. Charis, wala na talaga akong money, dami ko pang say So, nakarating na din naman kami sa next destination. Pumasok muna kami ng mall, then lalabas kami sa mismong tabing dagat. Ang ganda ng place dito. Look at this view! Sobrang ganda i-appreciate guys. Ang daming ibang tourists. Magandang spot din to ng volleyball. Tapos tinamaan pa ako sa mukha ng mga batang naglalaro. Sa pool yung makeup ko, burado tuloy. Nagsorry naman sila kaya okay na. Busy pa naman ng atin yun na umaura-aura habang nakaupo sa buhangin. Nasa pool tuloy ng bola.
Chasing skies I've never met while I stay in my mind. Something in the ocean keeps pulling me. never get the chance.
Wait! Basa na ako! Sige na! Sige na! Sige, sige. Babasa kasi eh. O sige, game.
She hums a tune I've never heard in languages I can't speak. She writes down cities.
So, dito na nga kami kumain for dinner and ang sasarap ng mga foods nila. Na-mention pa ng isa sa mga student na halos lahat ng magagandang club or bar is nandito sila. Gising na gising yung night dito. Sobrang daming shops and sobrang dami ding choices ng kakainan. Halos dito ko nakita yung mga kagaya naming tourists. So, that's our Bali, Indonesia tour happened in May 2025. Pauwi na kami dito ng Pinas at nasa airport na kami. Then, may bigla ang nangyari at na-delay yung flight namin. Naghintay pa kami sa airport and nag-provide naman yung airlines ng foods and also sa mga waiting area kami natulog. Grabe, what an unforgettable experience, from the breathtaking temples, the vibrant culture, to the warm smiles of the locals. Every corner of Bali truly has something magical to offer. Alam mo yung feeling na habang nagta-travel ka, hindi lang mata mo yung nabubusog, pati yung soul mo. Ganun yung Bali, each destination we visited, from Uluwatu Temple na may dramatic sunset views, hanggang sa rice terraces ng Tagalalang, reminded me how beautiful and diverse the world can be. As a tourism management student, this trip wasn't just a tour. It was a living classroom. Dito ko na-realize how sustainable tourism works, how culture is preserved, and how communities thrive through tourism. Nakaka-inspire makita yung balance ng nature, culture, at hospitality. And honestly, every moment here molded me, not just as a student, but as a traveler with purpose. Traveling opened my eyes to how many more there is to see, to learn, and to appreciate. Kaya one thing's for sure, I'll never get tired of exploring the world. I definitely travel again, discover more beautiful places, and create more memories that remind me how amazing life can be when you step out and see the world. So may chance ka rin to travel, grab it. Don't just visit places, experience them, feel the culture, taste the food, talk to people, and let every journey teach you something new. Thank you for joining me sa adventure na to. I hope na inspire kayo to explore, appreciate, and protect the beauty of our world, one destination at a time. This has been your girl, Judy, signing off from Bali, but definitely not from exploring. See you on my next travel adventure. Same wandering energy, new destination.
Book and a grin. She's chasing skies.